What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota RAV4 Smart Key Remote Fob. This Toyota RAV4 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to replace the battery is we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the bottom that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, in that area that the emergency key just slid out of, you can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the emergency key. And then if you notice on this key, there's a little bit of a lip on the end. So what I'm going to do is take my key and I'm going to push it straight in that notch. And then as I'm pushing it all the way in, I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Then once we pull the back half off, we can see our battery right here. And I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver or something similar, and you can see there's this little notch right here in the battery holder. Allow me to get under the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the new replacement battery with the plus side up. Go ahead and snap it down into that holder. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.